Dr. Bettis, as a professor of religious studies, have your professional interests included studying new religious movements such as the Unification Church? And if so, would you care to comment on your findings through that study, perhaps your impressions of the founder of that church, Reverend Moon?
Yes, I have taught courses in new religious movements for 5 years and have studied new religious movements in the United States, and especially the Unification Church, intensively for the past 8 years. I am also co-chairman of the section on new religious movements within the American Academy of Religion. And on the basis of that research, as well as on my own personal experience, it is my opinion that the unification movement is very misunderstood and very unfairly persecuted. I know a large number of members of the Unification Church personally, and consider them to be some of my closest friends and some of the most moral, dedicated, intelligent, and committed people that I have the privilege to know. I also have had the very special opportunity of meeting for a short period of time with Reverend Moon. And again, based both on my personal experience and on my research, I believe that Reverend Moon is one of the great religious leaders of this century.
You're saying this now as someone who's not a member of Reverend Moon's church. Is that
That's right, Jonathan. I am a ordained Methodist minister. But I don't think a person has to be a member of any religious tradition to recognize the validity of the great insights that religious tradition may have. And Reverend Moon is certainly a man of that stature. He has tremendous vision, tremendous energy, and a very, very deep and vibrant spiritual life. I've learned a great deal from Reverend Moon, and from his writings and his teachings, both in an academic sense and perhaps most especially in a spiritual sense. I consider him to be a great religious teacher and leader, and I'm very proud to have had the opportunity to associate in some small way with his vision for what world peace can be like.
하나님에서 지금까지 세계, 이 종교, 하나님의 역사를 두고 생각할 때에 그래도 세계적으로 하나님 지금까지 수천년 종교단체를 만든 자가 이래가지고 만들어놓은 게 도대체 무엇이야? 기독교 만든 것이 아니라 기독교 국가를 두고 민주세계 만들고 민주세계에 두고 미국 만들어놓은 예는 하나님이 할 일이 없다.
So God has been working with the result of the fallen people, the offsprings, and He created religion for one thing. Then why did He create the Christianity for? God created Christianity so that through Christianity the democracy will grow, foster and grow. And through democracy, America will be perfected. This is what God has worked on under this world. 아벨 불합하에 아벨은 전부 다 종교 때문에 좀 모여들어야 돼. 아벨 클럽을 만들어 가지고 이것이 이 기독교 국가를 만든 거야 200년 전에. So America is the very beginning of coming into existence on this face of the earth, and the history is they were the Abels who gathered around all throughout the world in the religious cause and gathered here to come and build a new world. And this is what America started, and this is what Americans are, basically.
미국 국민은 뭐야? 전통의 절대적인 종교주의요, 절대적인 종교윤리주의요, 절대적인 하나님주의자들, 하나님 그래서 있어야 된대. 지금 뭐야 이게?
So he stands to reason. Since the beginning was so, America should be standing on the complete basis of God, complete basis of the spiritual nature, and have unswerving the belief in God, and always ready to stand up.
부부 제도를 두고 하나의 가정 형제를 갖춰.
And especially the family centered around the Christianity and the one with God, who will have an unchanging, unswerving, immovable, sound family they should have accomplished today. But today, look at America. Is America that way?
그럼 하나님에서 골치 아프면 뭐냐면 사탄의 골치 아프고 교회 몰락과 그다음에 이 교회의 모든 청소남녀들의 청소남녀들의 윤락 이 세 가지 문제가 제일 머리 아픈 거다.
So today we have three big problems with the young people. America, with God, is that they're not having completely one with the church. In other words, detached from church. And the young people's the immoral or the life.
교회가 파탄되고 가정이 파탄되고.
And their breakage of the family.
그다음에 뭐 나라가 파탄되고 공산주의에서.
So in other words, that the family will break and the church will be broken, and eventually the country will be broken at the wake of offense of the communism.
공산주의에서 나라는 망하지만은 이러면 교회가 망하고 이 가정이 망하는 뭐냐 이 프리 섹스 문제로 말면 다 망해.
So the nation will be at peril because of communism, let's say. But this church, what breaks down the church and what breaks down the family is the attitude of morale, which is jeopardizing American churches and American family. Immorality, the trend of free sexes, uninhibition. These are the direct cause of family breakage.
사탄은 이것을 뜻을 못 이루게 한다, 못 이루게 하기 위한 그런 선도권이 뭐냐, 프리 섹스고 말이야 이게 뭐야 호모섹스고 참 개인주의고 말이야, 뭐 파탄주의고 뭐 부시대 제거주의고 전부 다 이런 주의 나옵니다. 사탄은 그걸 두고 나올 수밖에 없다니.
So like has been pointed out, God wanted the religion and the Christianity in America would have been perfected. This is what God wanted the Americans. What about Satan? Satan will be completely working on the other side. They want to destroy the family, they want to destroy the church and destroy the nation. And how do they do that? The free sexes and these trends, so Satan is injecting it.
그러면 민주세계 기구와 같은 그런 사탄세계 기구와 같은 왜 공산주의를 사탄세계 나오는 말이야. 이것은 전반 민주세계를 파탄시키기 위한 이 대항적인 주의요. 그러면 막 교회를 애피는 거야. 종교를 애피는 거야. 그리고 프리 섹스를 강조한다 이게. 이거 윤리 파탄을 개고하니 이것이 사탄주의라는 수 없다는 결론이 나옵니다. 왜 공산주의가 사탄주의래?
So, and coming to why is the communism satanic way of life? There's one way of the evidence. One evidence is that they are out to destroy what the free world is going up to. They want to be spiritual and they destroy that. They want to have a sound family and they do everything to destroy that. And they encourage the free sexes. When the communists are really doing that in the free world, then we know they're going against the direction of God. Therefore, we can term that as a satanic idealism. Do you understand? That's one way of what we can explain why communism is satanic.
종교 부정을 전부 다 공산주의의 이 선동과 침투 공작에 의한 간접적인 선동이 뭐라고 보는 거니까.
So their characteristics, what the communists do is they discourage the traditions of good traditions, the conservative. The traditions of what America has achieved in the last 200 years. They want to deny that. They want to deny the prospering of a religion. And these we can see that communists are doing that. Therefore, communists are satanic direction.
부모와 형제간에 갈라놓고 형제 부부간에 갈라놓고 가정들의 어머니 아버지 아들딸 갈라놓고 할아버지 어머니 갈라놓고 나라와 민족 동네와 동네 전부 국가와 세계를 갈라놓는 공산주의. 갈라놓는 사탄주의인데 그 갈라놓는 주의를 노력하는 그 노력하는 것이 공산주의더라고요.
What communism is doing and what they do most and best and what they always want to do is to separate. They separate from children to parents. Among the family they separate.
구시대 신시대 해가지고 갈라놓고.
And then they try to draw the line of a new age and the old age and they to non-they. All that they want to separate. This is what communists are always at.
서로 갈라놔가지고 서로 싸우게 만드는 거야.
Not only separate, but then they make fight each other.
그것이 공산주의가 그렇게 하니 공산주의가 그렇게 하는 것이 사탄이가 그런 노력하는 것을 사탄이가 그런 것이기 때문에 그런 것을 대표적으로 나타나는 세계주의니까 공산주의 사탄 편이 아닐 수 없다.
When we see that, that's a distinct characteristic of Satan. So what they are doing is what the Satan is working for. Whatever the Satan wants any person or society to do, they are doing that exactly to that specification. This is why communism
갈라가지고 원수 만드는 거예요.
is a satanic idealism. Not only separate the good ones, but make them fight among them. This is a chief business of communism.
공산주의 전략이에요.
That's the strategy of the communism, let's say, at least that's in India achieving so-called their goal
자, 그것이 뭐냐 이런 동안에
of non-godly world.
아담과 헤와를 갈라놓고 헤와와 아담 갈라놓고 그다음에 아담 헤와하고 천장을 갈라놓고 하나님과 천장 갈라놓는 게 타락이 그게 사탄의 출발이야. 사탄의 그렇게 돼.
And that's a satanic property, Satan's property. Satan's property is, in the very beginning, to separate Adam and Eve. They were never meant to be separate, but Satan, as a result of the Satan's doing something over them, this happened, so it became their property ever since. Now they are reflecting that. And among the children, sons and daughters, they separate. Certainly, they separate between parents and children. And not only separate, but then they make them fight each other. They contradict them each other. And the Satan will stand aloft and see what goes on. This is what communist the strategy, unmistakable strategy, unfailing strategy. So strikingly saying. On the other hand, then on contrast to that, what is God's idea and what his propensity, what he's prone to do is to unite instead of separate. When he unite, certainly doesn't want to unite he himself in a certain center. Rather, he wants everybody to get together, and everybody as a center want to unite. Not just an individual and unite, but everything at the center and unite. This is what God has been, God does, and God does always. Bring into unity.
그런 쌍곡산의 세계적인 교류가 현세의 이 모든 전파를 타고 오늘까지 통해가지고 혹은 악선전 선전 그래서 모략 중상 결합을 사기 소를 취한 나라면서 세계는 통일절 중상 야단하고.
So now we see that very much at work through the radio waves, through the communications, telexes, or the newspaper the reportings. This earth is filled with that the fierce fight. And the one promoting God's cause and the other slandering and trying to destroy that, trying to feed the wrong and the false informations to innocent people, namely the communists. This two world is in a forefront of the confrontation.
소유주는 나라가 없고 기반이 없어. 언제나 뜬구르가 밀려대니까 마음대로 치고 이제 나 생각하네. 에이 너무 자식들아.
And they take the Unification Church as a less serious body because they don't have a country, and they move from one place to other place without real settlement, so they will tend to think that not so seriously. But they know, small as it may, they can't do at their will, because God. This was how the Unification Church survived, from the smallest to so big now. Do you follow? So we have a clearer view and understanding about what today's world is. Today's world at today's time is the three the ideals and
부모님이 땅 왜 오는 것은 왜 오는 거야?
Then parents coming to this earth, why do they come? For what purpose do they come?
왜 오는 거야?
Why?
두 가지. 하나는 하나님의 목적을 위한 것이야. 하나는 타락한 인간을 구하기 위한 것이 두 가지.
Actually, it's a two distinct, twofold mission, the purpose. The one is to realize the ideal of God, to realize, establish, to make God's ideal on earth, to found ideals. And the other is to save the fallen people. If fallen people did not exist there, then certainly the task will be much easier one and pleasant one.
한 100만점 만든 것에 레브론이 만져봤겠나? 세계가 한 100만점 돼서 벌써 다 복귀돼갔나? 안 복귀돼.
If the world population is only 1 million and we have as much as today, do you or don't you think the will of God already will have established?
그래서 이런 오늘 전부 다 독신생활하고 생각치 말라고 그랬다.
This is why the heaven always discouraged. Look at the Bible. Don't get married and don't make too many children. It's better stay alone. Celibacy.
무엇이라고 하나님 트루 페렌츠가 무슨 왜 필요하냐고 말이야. 알겠지?
So
이상을 완성하기 위한 것이요. 거기에 타락한 인간을 구하기 위한 두 가지 목적 가지고 두 가지 목적을 공히 달성할 수 있는 책임자가 필요해. 그 책임자가 트루 페렌츠를 말하게.
So the true parents have a twofold mission. One, he's responsible in establishing God's original idea of creation on earth. Then deliver all the people who are aside from this the domain and boundary back to God's side, namely saving.
그럼 그 트루 페렌츠 저 다른 트루 칠드렌 하는 소위 그들은 목적이 뭐냐?
Then what about the so-called the true children's objective in their life? What is their goal in life?
마찬가지 목적이야.
Which is the same as a parent's ideal. The children's ideal cannot be different from parent's ideal.
알겠어 무슨 말인데?
Do you understand?
하나님의 이상을 이루어주고 이를 구하게.
To help establish God's original ideal of creation, and on the other hand, help restore all the fallen people into the original status.
자, 그럼 구원한 데는 뭐 어떻게 구원한다고?
Then in saving, how do you go about saving? How do you save?
러브를 한데 말이야. 어떻게 한다고? 무엇을 통해서?
Of course, through love, but through what?
Through recreation.
But through
restoration.
recreation.
Restoration means recreation.
To restore people or the group will be same as to save. That will be same as to recreate.
자, recreate 하는데 말이야. 그럼 예전 동상 생각해보자. 그러면 무엇이 있느냐? 타락한 그 근거지는 아담이 하와가 있었고 하나 돼 있고 가인 아벨이 있었고 갈라졌고 그다음에 하나님이 플러스 마이너스 하나 돼요.
So here now take a look at the original, the Garden of Eden. Through Adam and Eve, not fall, and his God, and here under him is Cain and Abel, the children.
어서 커라 사랑으로 키워가지고 하나 돼가지고 이거 하나님 이거 하나 되거든 이거 하나 되거든 말이야. 그러면 하나님이 여가 없는 거야.
So God wanted them to speedy growth. When they grow to perfection and perfect, then the God and the two will completely become one. When it becomes completely one, that means God will be situated right between them.
어떻게 돼 이거 이게 스타트네. 뭐 어떻게 할 수 있냐? 사랑하는 것이 사랑하는 거.
And of course, when they become perfect and become completely one, the process of completely one is love itself. So without love, you cannot become completely one and one.
아담이 하나 하나님을 같이 사랑하는 아담이 하나 같이 하나님을 생각하는 사랑 똑같이 하고 하나님 인자지. 아담은 제멋대로 해와 제멋대로 하는 거야. 이래야 하나님의 사랑이 여기에 하나님을 등감아가지고 하나님 여기 무형의 하나님이 여기에 왕량다. 그래가지고 하나님의 사랑을 중심 삼은 간풀 전부 다 보장 씌워놓고 그 이상이야.
Only Adam will be completely one with Eve.
Adam.
Adam. So
Adam with Eve completely.
And Eve completely. So long as Adam has a rift with the Eve, and Eve will say, "I'll do this way, and you do that way." If they claim the independence, certainly that will not become one. So not that, but become completely one with love. Then the God will live among them, in them, and eventually God will really give every blessing, the sexual blessing.
Love's cloth, love cloth.
The cloth of love.
Wearing,
Bag of
wearing
love.
love's cloth, you know? God, love's clothing of God.
The love's clothing of God, God was going to really cover them up.
그래서 그 전부가 하나님이 냄새 맡게요. 어디 받든지 냄새, 사랑의 냄새. 어디 보면 사랑의 냄새.
So when that happens, wherever you go and smell, wherever they move to and smell, that there's nothing but the love of smell of love, that is. And whatever you see, there's nothing else except the scenes of love.
자, 해발을 끌고 가게 되면 아담이 끌고 가게 되면 아담 끌고 가게 되면 사랑 때문에 하나님이 끌려오나 안 끌려?
When God will lead Eve toward a certain direction,
소만 왜 불인가? 풀이 아담이 풀, following Eve. After that, Adam and following God.
well, if someone is pulling the Eve around, and and Adam will certainly follow Eve because of love, and certainly when the God does that, then that's when Adam become to God, to love.
세포를 달 수 없다. 사랑에서만 세포를 달 수 없다는 그런 개념구나.
So once this right love set in, then there is no separation, even hypothetical. Even by theory, you cannot separate.
밥 먹을 때도 사랑이 필요한 거 아니야?
While we eat, then is love necessary even while during we eat?
왜 어째서?
Why?
신나가 혼자 밥 먹는 거랑 상대가 사랑하는 거랑 얼마나 좋아?
Instead of being serious, the sullen face you eat, but think about love, and you're eating for the sake of love ultimately, so you eat, and how much more joy it is.
이쁜 옷을 사랑하는 사람 앞에 입어야지. 이 원수 앞에 입으면 이 거팔당하지 볼 수 있어?
If you have a beautiful cloth to wear, you must wear in front of the one who loves very much. Instead, if you have the enemy around you and then you put on the beautiful cloth, then what happens? The enemy will take you over.
아름다운 옷은 사랑하는 마음의 아름다운 내적인 아름다운 사랑의 마음을 가진 표시로서 아름다운 옷을 입는다. 그걸 말하는 거죠.
So when you wear a beautiful cloth, when you have a distinct meaning of wearing a beautiful cloth, that if you have a beautiful mind inside, mind of love inside, and you want to show that to your spouse or your subject or object, so you put on a beautiful cloth, and that is great. How great it is to wear a beautiful cloth. The God will see that and has got a sure message of His beauty inside. You'll be happy. While you're sleeping unconscious, and while you're resting, do you need love, or you can do without love? Do you need money, or do you need love? Which do you need more? Happy? But if you're full of love in your mind, that's all that takes, and that's necessary. So we know that really more than more than the power, more than money, more than any precious thing, love, more than knowledge, the love is actually more precious than anything else.
그거 틀렸어?
When someone insists on that, is he wrong? That means you know.
하나님 필요한 건 사람밖에 없다고. 하나님 돈이 필요한가 뭐 필요 없다고.
But what about God? When we think about God, this is ultimately really true, because what does God need? Does God need power, or does he need knowledge, or does he need money?
이렇게 됐더라면 이게 사람의 옷을 입어 아담을
Even less than man, he needs us.
천사가 어디 가서 그런 데가 없다고 나쁘겠나 천사.
So when this love is there and is fulfilled, then the angel has no place to get in. Where would he get in?
할 수 없이 여기 있게
He has to get in right there and right around, but not in it.
그래서 사랑 와서는 아들딸이 어디가 자연적으로 여기부터 나가겠어.
When that happens, then where would the children go? Children cannot go far away. The children will go around, and wherever the parents are, they will stay close.
사랑함으로 만나면 사랑함으로 만나면 이거 가네. 사랑함으로 만나면 이거 다 없어져. 사랑으로 사는 다 없어.
But as a result of fall, that did not take place. In fact, Adam and Eve did not come absolutely close. They didn't. And there is division between them, so therefore God cannot dwell in him, so there's a division in either of them, and the children are going an independent course.
여기서 여기 가려면 어떻게 넘어가려면 사탄이 증거서 맞아. 사탄이 보인 거 같아. 여기 사탄이 보인 거 같아.
Wherever they want to go this borderline, well, this way, that way, wherever, from here to there, wherever you want to go, there's a Satan the watching as a God and demanding you the passport. And there's a Satan right there and ask you where you're going. And you have a sentry, you have a checkpoint there of Satan demanding what qualifies you to go there. And there's a satanic general headquarters here.
하나님의 뜻과 인류의 이상한 것이 그려진 자기 세계는 근본적으로 파탄되기 때문에 이것을 유지시키기 위해서 하나님의 뜻과 인류의 이상을 파탄시키기 위해 노력을 해나온다. 이게 악마의 작업이다.
So Satan has been working that all along, all throughout the history, and it's no question about that. Why do they do that then? For them, they have a good reason. Once this boundary is done with, and all will become unity, then the satanic world no more. Therefore, so long as these remain as a barrier and a boundary, and they have a checkpoint, and make sure that nobody crosses that, then Satan can have their own domain for a long period of time. Therefore, they have that.
하나님하고 사탄하고 개인을 빼앗기는 싸움, 가족을 빼앗기는 싸움, 국가를 빼앗기는 정경파에서 민족을 빼앗고 국가를 빼앗기는 세계적인 싸움을 전개해가지고 나중에 종착점이 전 세계가 공산국으로.
So they have been doing that ever since the mishaps of the Garden of Eden. Ever since that, they have been checkpoint, and as the population grew, this headquarters sending more and more checkpoints to a national level, the national boundaries, and all that, try to win on their side. So when that history has lasted until today, as a result, we see this is a group which is communist. We call them leftist. And there is a group which is the democracy, we call the rightist.
여와 같은 일이 하나님 중상까지 사탄 중에 담아가지고 이것이 이런 세계를 연결시킵니다. 그래서 이 세계를 국가시키는 이 싸움을 지금 계속.
Instead of God being the center and perpetuate this original of the world, instead of Satan, the false master, has gone to the similar direction, the same direction of achieving to bring everything under them. And even trying to influence this side.
사탄 세계에 끝나는 뭐냐면 제일 그악한 하나님의 반대는 그악한 사탄 행동이 세계적인 사탄 행동이 뭐냐.
So when do we know even the communism will be in its
이런 원칙으로 보게 될 때에 끝나게 되면 사탄 세계 제일 세계적으로 그악한 제일 악한 이런 형태하고.
In this view, there will be one time when the worst, the workings of a satanic side will come to appear. That worst thing starts coming to appear, which the God will, the least like that. There is anything God would hate most, that would be what God would like to see, hate most. If that happens, then we know that's even the end of the communism.
사탄 자신도 하나님 대신 자리 아니고 원수의 자리 아니에요. 인류 앞에 부모의 자리 아니고 원수의 자리고 또 너희들 부모들도 자식 대해서 분노하고 원수의 자리 또 자식도 부모에 대해 원수의 자리에 설 때가 온다. 그때는 끝날만 가야 된다고.
So the real end of this will be even the God, even the top ones and even your own parents, even you will feel not as a close family, but then close to enemy to your own parents or to own children and own brothers and sisters, not to mention. When this happens, when what should be closest, but in reality is a far distant, almost like enemy, when this actually takes place, that will be the end of the real end of the days. End of these days we started from the false beginning.
자, 전부가 사탄 부모가 되고 사탄 아들 되고 사탄 할아버지 할머니 사탄 나라가 돼가지고 하나를 팔아가게 되면 모두가 합해가지고 물어준다.
So how do we tell that they turn out enemy? Because one thing, if the children is desperate to go to the side of God, then they all will get together. Their parents, even their brothers, sisters, their cousins, and all clan, even the nation will all get together, try to discourage him going to godly side. Then we know, oh, that must be Satan.
그 때문에 끝나는 제일 사회가 세계적으로 제일 미워하는 태가 하나님이 거기에 기반을 닦고 나오는 것이다 하는 것을 여기서 알아야 된다고.
So we can even reason now what Satan will hate most at the end of the days will be where the God working in his cause and he's been building a foundation from small to into larger and larger. Whenever that happens and whenever who wants to come into this, Satan will hate most. We can understand that very clearly. And that God-centered place will be through the God-inspired, God-centered new religion. If you call that as a new religion and a new place, new ideals, new everything, because that's God's first foundation. And Satan will hate most.
부모와 자식들이 원수인데 부모와 자식들이 무엇보다도 하나 되고 부모와 또 자기 할아버지 할머니 하나 되고 그 다음에 하나님과 하나 되고 그 다음에 여기가 왼쪽으로 가정과 하나 되고 국가와 되고 세계 하나 되는 운동을 하는 것이다.
Another description of where God centered the movement, the God centered the family will be is that there, when you go there, everything is towards unity. What used to be the enemy from parents to children, now there, that new place, all they do is to make the parents and the children into unity and make the one, whereas it used to be very enemy. And even beyond that.
흑인, 백인, 오색인들이 서로 싸우는 것도 하나이고 동양은 서양이 불풀려라는 것도 전부 다 하나입니다.
Even that, the age-old, the most difficult achievements to make, everybody sort of wanted it, but it's way too difficult, is for the black people, for the white people, to love each other without question and carry this out. It will be that kind of a family. Then the Satan will hate that most. Even the East and West, they think there is too much difference to even come to, it's not reality, it's not practical to come into perfect unity. But that's brave enough and ambitious enough to achieve that and become successful. That part is God-centered.
그런 자리, 그런 교회, 그런 엄마한테 그럼 강도장이 막 친하게 그 강도장 누구래 공사다해 쳐서라도 뺏어간다.
So the ones who are in the custody of the material from God has to, with that material, follow its course towards the spiritual side and do that. But whereas they do not do that, detached from the spiritual lineage, to the spiritual connection, and just with the material, now we have formed the really materialistic way of life in total disregard to the spiritual, the meaning in a life, then he is grossly wrong. God will make them to understand that they are wrong and try to change their mind, convert their mind into the spiritual side. If they don't do that, if they don't do that in time, then God makes them happen, which is let the communists to deprive all things from the materialistic people and from them, so that they will be aware that that belongs to God on the first place.
여러분이 지금 미국 사회가 자유사회가 하나님을 종족 사상들의 정신명령에 인문주의와 사회주의가 움직일 수 있는 이체전을 찾지 않는 공산주의의 발이 될 것이다.
So, unless this Western civilization quickly find its real meaning, oh, this material, our purpose of this having material was to make useful to the spiritualistic side, which is a more ultimate end and goal. Once we realize that and quickly make that transition and connect to the spiritual side, fine. But unless they do, then they will suffer the consequences of the communist communists will come and deprive them anyway.
미국의 행정부는 이야.
Dr. Scott, you've told us that you're a Baptist. You're not a member of the Unification Church. But as a Baptist, do you feel threatened by the Unification Church?
As a Baptist, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. In fact, I welcome the church and working with the church. I am not threatened, and again, it follows a fundamental principle in which I live, by which I live, and therefore I welcome the opportunity to work with the church and members of the church. I found the church very cooperative. I think some of the programs that the church has initiated, perhaps not being duplicated in any other church, bringing together of members of the clergy, university professors, to consider matters of spiritual life of our world is perhaps unique. And many of these conferences have been ecumenical, far great ecumenical, not only in terms of Christian denominations, but other religions, Buddhists, Hindus, Muslims, Jewish, all have been a part of program activities of the church to foster a closer relationship and sort of a unity of mankind.
Dr. Scott, do you have any personal experience with social welfare activities of the Unification?
Yes, the Unification Church has been very active in the social welfare area. The National Council for Church and Social Action is an example of that, and they have supported many local churches which are not a part of major denominations, to reach out to the poor of their communities and through facilitating their distribution of food, finding of homes, providing education for people who are the dispossessed. I've been very impressed with that and know the record of the church in this area.
Dr. Scott, have you met Reverend Moon personally, and if so, what do you think of him as a man?
I've met him on several occasions at meetings and so forth. I haven't had a long talk with him. I'm not closely involved with him personally, but I've been very impressed with him as a person. I think he is an outstanding religious leader. I think he has vision for a new world, which he's trying to bring about through his church and relating to other groups. I have the highest regard for him.
So even though you're not a member of the Unification Church, not a follower of Reverend Moon, you consider his efforts valuable to the Christian community?
I think his efforts are valuable to the Christian community and to the world as a whole. And I would certainly support the work that he's doing and encourage members of his church to continue in their commitment to his ideals.
Contrary. At home, he dressed comfortable. But when he go out, he take it off and he wear the rag. And put the more smelly things upon himself. And Father never really seldom speak to the outside. That was Father's use. And you cannot figure out unless you heard this sermon this morning. Father loved the labor life. Always go to the poor people dwelling place, like a Harlem in Japan, Harlem in Korea, and Father mingle with the poor people. They never show up among the what they call elite society. There are many people, many friends respect Father, and still Father has a many following. At that time, Father go and really work hard in the labor, the dock labor, for example, and earn the money, pay their tuition. And Father knew, therefore, Father knew exactly how the mentality work out there in the satanic world. No one can just really deceive Father. No way. You know, the world surely do not know what kind of tribulations, the experiences Father passing through in order to come up to this far. What the movement? No one know out there. It is not easy to be recognized by God, who can give you an unqualified statement saying, indeed, you love me first. This kind of statement coming from God is not going to be easy.
그리고 내가 기도를 하더라도 원수의 많았지만 하나님이 원수를 갚았으나 기도 못한다.
And also Father prayed a lot, that's for sure. But Father never prayed for the revenge against his own enemy. Never prayed for the misfortune for his enemy. Father always prayed forgiveness for his enemy. God forgive them.
내가 그를 위해서 할 수 있는 일을 해서 그 일이 가능하면 무슨 일도 해라.
And in order to indemnify my enemy's sin, if there's anything I can do for him, God, my Father in heaven, please let me do it. Let me pay his own indemnity so that he can come out of it. So this is Father's way of life. You remember in October 22 at the rally, the Foley Square. Do you remember Father declared that Father is creating the alliances, minority alliances for the civil rights. Did you hear that? Do you think that is needed? Why do we need that? By doing it, do you think Reverend Moon will become elevated and the Unification Church become wealthier by doing it? That's the purpose? Or are we doing it? Yes or no? On the contrary, Reverend Moon take the road of sacrifice. Unification Church take the road of sacrifice. However, on our sacrifice, these people, multitude of oppressed people, needy people, poor people, and the misunderstood people shall live. There will be a central location, central hall, gathering places. The Father is really launching, not just by word, but by deed, the minority alliance for the civil rights movement in America. And we'll soon have a public announcement. And Father is really moving our movement forward to be a spearhead to lead the crusade for the entire oppressed people and the disregarded people here in America.
자, 그래서 그런 레버런드는 개인 지금까지 이 레버런드에서 저 어두운 길을 걸어가네. 그걸 알고 싶을 거라. 그렇지?
So then, you are looking at Reverend Moon, Father, and what kind of way of life he trod. You want to know about him, don't you?
자, 선생님도 청춘시대 너희들 같은 참 발랄하고 심하게 벅찬 그 청춘시대가 있었겠냐 없었겠냐?
What about? Do you think Father was a young day like you, and Father has gone through a teenaging ages period, or not? He was just born 62 years old. What do you think? He had that?
그때 어디랬겠느냐? 그때는 어디랬겠느냐?
Then think about Father. Picture Father, age of 16, age of 17. What Father was thinking, what he was doing.
그때 내가 이 뜻을 알기 전부터 생각하면 동네면 동네에 있어서의 불쌍한 사람의 친구가 같다는 생각했죠.
Even before Father conceived or given the mission for the salvation of the world, this incredible mission that he undertook, even before he comes to the realization of such mission, he always has the heart that I want to become a friend of suffering people in my village, in my town, poor people. I want to become a friend to everybody.
아이들이 있더라도 잘 살고 그 동네에서 드센 그 아들은 잘 출발하라고 했다. 반대 출발, 반대 생각을 했다.
So in father's boyhood, and there was the rich boys, very arrogant boys. They always got the hard time from father. But on the other hand, father always embraced what those people need, those who are suffering, those who are chastised.
동네에서 어렵게 살고 밥을 먹는 사람이 있다면 내가 잠을 못 자서 무슨 짓을 해도 그걸 해결해 준다고 해요.
Just some father knew sometime information that certain house has no money to buy any grocery and there's completely starved to death. Then father declared emergency to himself, even as a boy. He's just doing everything possible to bring the food somehow. Without it, he cannot go to bed. No way. Until that job is finished.
그래가지고 모든 사람의 친구가 돼. 모든 사람의 친구 이상의 길을 가야 되겠다.
So father want to become a universal friend to everybody. And also, he wants to become a friend to serve, sacrificially serve. So that just not just a friend, he's want to be in a position to be respected.
너는 30대, 30전에 너희들에서는 좋은 옷 입고 자기 아주 자기 모습을 드러내고 싶고 미남이 되고 싶고 미녀가 되고 싶고 그렇지?
Between age 20, 30, this is your prime youth. Dress well, eat well, appear well, deal with people well. That's normally that age, 20 to 30. Your age.
좋은 옷 안.
But father gone exactly the opposite. He did not want to show him off.
새 옷을 살 때는 새 옷.
He never wear the new dress, new suit.
거물상에 가가지고 떼묻어.
Always go to thrifty shop, surplus store, and to buy the second hand, the army jacket, with the hole, with the grit, the spot.
머리는 전부 다 일부러 이렇게.
So the hair, all drop, like that.
그렇게 하면서 자기가 할 거라고 다.
But meantime, father was so busy doing his own thing. Own thing means the mission.
그래서 말을 많이 했다.
In those days, father spoke very little, very seldom spoke.
말하게 되면 내가 이런 나 다른 사람이 안다.
But father knew if I speak, that no one can compete with me. No one can even debate with me. No way that anybody can debate with me. But he's just determined to be silent.
모르는 사람 같이 자기 주니까.
So just look very dumb, look very unassuming, below average.
그러면서 그 청춘시에 따라가면서 빈민 굴러서부터 노동팔로부터 전부 안 되게 만든 것다. 고지굴까지 전부 다 가서.
And then those young youth period, the golden time, prime time of his youth, the father spending every day experiencing the most desperate, most miserable human life there is. Labor camp, go to the mining, go to beggar camp, dock workers, and the farmers, and the coal miners, going those places, experiencing, learning them, and trying to comfort them.
사창굴까지도
To study every aspect of human life, even including prostitution, mentality. Why women? Why men go to prostitution? Why women become a prostitute? It's studying all these miseries of human aspects.
전차 같은 거 타고 옛날에 성서들이 전차 타던 하거든요 말이야. 보통 사람들 보면은 학생 시대에도 학생을 입어준 쓰시면은 비 오는 날 같은데 축축한 노동자의 판이에요. 제일 냄새나는 데가.
When father was studying in Tokyo, there was a tram car, like San Francisco is a tram car. He rides a tram car, and they're always looking for where the most miserable person is, where the most smelly person is sitting. He always go there, even rainy day particularly. Rainy day, everybody soaked wet and even more smelly and so forth, always sit right beside him and become a friend with him.
무슨 생각을 이분이 내 형님이여 내 어머니 아버지였던
He always thinks, father always thinks, what if this man is my elder brother? What if this man is my father? What should I do?
나를 위해서 이렇게 나를 위해서 이렇게 비참한 상태에 서 있던 나는 어떻게
Particularly my father, my brother, he is in a miserable position because of me. Particularly he is suffering because of me. You know, then what if? That is the case. What should I do? He's always put himself in that analysis.
그러고 볼 때 그 전차분 전차 가운데 한국 학생들 가운데 뭐저 하체린 학생 잘났다는 뭐 여학생 남학생들 바라보는 비교한다.
Then there, when father was the college days, you know, looking at other college students, men and women, you know, they just laugh and smile and speak loud and they just their behavior. Father's observing. Father was in the same position. Their student, father was a student.
너희들의 웃음결은 너희 청춘이 흘러가고 너희 일생이 흘러가지만 내가 침울하고 침울한 여 생각 가운데는 내 일생이 빛을 날 것이고 장래의 희망의 세기가 희망의 태양이 떠오른다고 생각합니다.
Father compared himself with those laughing youngsters. Your laughter will be in vain. There's nothing behind the laughter. It'll go away like a day smoke. But when in my silence, in my meditation, there shall be some future. There shall be new day, new hope for the suffering mankind for the future. That's the way Father thought.
희망이 미래가 보장되고 희망이 있지만은 미래와 희망은
in your gay, joyful, gay, and the most, just happy laughter. There's no tomorrow, no hope, no nothing of any promising for the future. But here, I'm looking at this miserable person sitting side by side with him, sharing his suffering with me. I'm thinking for this kind of people. I'm meditating, and I'm looking for the future. I'm looking for the solution. Hope must come. The future, the hope of the world must come from here. Father knew that.
일생 동안 다스리는 부모, 참부모의 말을, 참부모의 이름을 세운다는 것이 얼마나 어떤 사실입니까?
I want you to understand, to really make the word the true parent stand its own qualification. That is not going to be easy. That is not easy task.
모든 사람의 주체성을 지닐 수 있는 내 자신을
When you say true parent, that's for the sake of the mankind, not for themselves. So, Father said, therefore, the true parent position is always subject position. But you should have that qualification to be subject. In other words, you should be in a position to satisfy all the needs of the mankind.
나그네 생활로 이런 하루기간의 생활, 중국에서 고통되게
So number one qualification as a true parent is taste the suffering humanity. This is what Father did entire youth, going to poor laborers and the working places, miserable places, poor home and miserably in a poverty-stricken area, and then middle class, then high class. Father had to experience everything.
인간이 당할 수 있는 깊은 골짜기를 찾아 헤매면서 이 길을 개척해 나오는 한 대표적인 사람인 것은 틀림없는 것을 알아요.
So throughout Father's life, he was a pioneer, no question. Incredible pioneer, unprecedented pioneer. The path that never existed, never even thought about. In order to do that, he was a lonely battle, engaged in a lonely battle, and doing every day of fighting, and the struggling, the experiencing, and in tears and in sweat.
그런 길 간 자체만으로도 그것이 동정할 수 있는 사람이지만은 그 길을 가는 데 있어서 핍박이 가중됐던 사람.
That task alone is untold suffering, untold difficulty. But on top of that, there was another aspect of it. There was a persecution on top of it. Persecution, discrimination. Well, inevitable.
동네 자기 고향을 찾아가더라도 죄 없는 자신이 고향을 밤에나 낮에나 마음대로 찾아갈 수 없는 사람이에요.
So even if it belonged to a certain village, there was a certain feelings amounting, and he cannot be freely in and out of his own home and own town.
죄를 짓지 않았지만은
Of course he's not a criminal. Of course he had no crime committed. Yet there's certain feelings around. Because Father is doing extraordinary things that people don't understand, that bring out the persecution.
저 사람은 뭐냐 공부나 해가지고 불악에 있어서의 불악을 살게 해주고 동네 좋게 해줄 수 있고 부모님 앞에 좋게 할 수 있는 전부 내 감옥으로 따라서고 물들이 있고.
Ordinarily, those heroes, the folk heroes, in your village, in your town, who learned well and do little things for the poor people in the village and serving this and that, bringing some glory to fame to the village. That's the way you become a folk hero. But Father's scale is not just one village. Father thinking the nation, world, universe, and cosmic. In that respect, Father is going around one jail to another. So everybody will just laugh at him, and finger pointed at him, even spit at him. So completely misunderstood. People never truly understand his motivation. Scornfulness. That was the trick.
동네 어머니 아버지 어머님의 참 어머님을 좋아했고 어머님은 낸 얘기하고 그가 얘기하는 거야. 왜냐면 자기 조상 무덤 앞에 가가지고 저 기도하던으로 말해.
So only mother is the closest to understand father. Therefore, of course, she doesn't understand everything.
Dr. Bryant, even though you're not a member of the Unification Church, you've had considerable contact with Reverend Moon over the past few years. What's your impression of Reverend Moon?
When you ask me that question, I immediately think of the several different occasions on which I've seen Reverend Moon, been somewhere where he has been. I've seen Reverend Moon at the Unification Theological Seminary, delivering a graduation address and praying there, and afterwards at a banquet with his family, enjoying jokes that professors at the seminary told about him. And that's a very sort of positive memory in my mind. I think of him again at the seminary down by the pond, sort of sitting on the bank talking with the students at the seminary, and it's a very sort of pleasing image. I've seen him in his home again with his family and welcoming guests, and seen sort of the gracious kind of hospitality of the man. I've seen him at large conferences where he's addressed, gatherings of scholars and scientists, and seen the sort of depth of his commitment and passion, his real passion and dedication to serve God and to help transform this world and to bring it more in line with God's purposes and keeping. Now, what is the appropriate religious category for speaking about Reverend Moon? Here, of course, one is going to find a lot of disagreement. I mean, in some ways I find myself much more comfortable with thinking about and regarding Reverend Moon as a champion of God's purposes, a man who in every context and in every situation strives deeply to know God's will and his intention, and then not only strives to know it, but to realize it in the world in some practical and lasting way that will touch the hearts and lives of human beings. And I think we can often get into, say, needless controversy and disagreement about what Reverend Moon is. For myself, I tend to put a great emphasis on his own autobiography, his own story, and try to see him in the context of his life. As a young man who, when he was 16, had this encounter with Jesus that transformed his life, right? And continues to have an impact on his life. And I try to say, understand how he, as a man from the East, would have heard Jesus's vision, his vision of Jesus. How, as a man of the East, he would have understood and is seeking to understand God's will and purposes. And I think that's where the emphasis should lie, in looking at what this man has accomplished in order to see the continuity, congruence, the fittingness of his teaching on the one hand and his action on the other. Because finally, I suppose, it is the integration of sort of teaching and life that is the most powerful recommendation for any religious figure.
내가 알기로는 공산세계나 민주세계라는 되게 금에 다른 세계를 모릅니다.
Today, as the Father understood, the free world today and the communist world in the other side, both are hitting the stone wall.
역사적인 거고요. 이제 민주세계, 자유세계의 전체가 연합해서라도 이 고개를 넘어야 되고 공산세계도 이 고개를 연합해서 넘어야 되고 인류 역사도 협력해서 이 고개를 넘지 않으면 새로운 세계를 맞이하고 또 하나님께서는 하나님과 마찬가지로서 이 고개를 넘게 하지 않으면 될 최정상 시대에 왔다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
I want you to understand that we have a problem. There is a hill to cross over. There's a mountain to climb up and over. And the free world has to climb over. And the communist world has to climb over. History has to climb over that hill. And God ultimately has to climb over that mountain.